Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is Oracle database. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Oracle database? An Oracle database, also known as Oracle RDBMS, is a collection of data organized by type with relationships being maintained between the different types. The primary purpose of a database is to store and retrieve related information. Okay guys, so this is the end of my short video on what is Oracle database is all about. A very popular database management system in the world. They are the first one who used the concepts of relational database concepts created by Dr. E.F. Code. So thank you for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.